Hi, today I'm going to show you how to insert bullet points in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to go to Symbol Settings. Now we need to go to More Symbols, and here on Symbols tab I select Arial font, and I need to scroll down and find here bullet point. So here we have the bullet point on the list. So for example, I select it and I click Insert. Then it will be added on the cell which we have selected. So now I click Close button and I can copy this bullet point. I go to Home, I click on this list and I click Copy. Now I click somewhere before the text where I want to insert it and I go to Paste and I click Paste. I press space and how you see bullet point has been successfully added to this text. Of course, you can repeat this action for other text. So I click again somewhere here, I go to paste and I click paste. I press space again, and of course you can paste this dot faster if you will use shortcut from your keyboard Ctrl V. So I press Ctrl V here and space, Ctrl V and space here, Ctrl V and space here, Ctrl V and space here, and Ctrl V and space here. So in this way we can easily insert the bullet points in WPS Spreadsheet. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.